In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Dashlane master password. This is an essential task for maintaining strong security over your accounts and personal information. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer to use. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top and type in Dashlane. You'll then need to hit Enter. In an instant, you'll see several search results appear. What you're looking for is the official Dashlane website. To be sure you're going to the correct place, click on the first result or the one that has the URL dashlane.com. It's always crucial to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any security risks. Now that you're on the Dashlane homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the Log In button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the web page. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. It's important to take your time entering your information. Double-check that you've typed in your details correctly before hitting Login. After successfully logging in, you'll notice a section labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to choose the Settings option to proceed. Within the Settings menu, look for a section called Authentication. Under that heading, there will be an option labeled View Options. Click on View Options, and then you'll see the choice to change master password. Click on this option to begin the process of updating your master password. At this point, it's time to enter your current master password. Once you've entered the current password, you'll then be prompted to create your new master password and confirm it by typing it in again for accuracy. If you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled, Dashlane will ask you to enter a 2FA token. This is an additional security measure to confirm your identity. Make sure you have access to your authentication app or device to retrieve that token. Keep the page open while the process completes. It may take up to a minute for Dashlane to update your master password. During this time, avoid navigating away from the page to ensure that everything updates correctly. And there you have it. Changing your master password is a vital part of keeping your accounts secure, and now you know how to do it efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.